Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with lesson 3, the earth and its neighbors. Yes, whom we call as neighbors, the people who used to live beside us. We call them as neighbors. There are so many houses beside our house, and people used to live in those houses, and people who live beside our house, we call all of them as neighbors. And here the earth is also having neighbors, and in this lesson we are going to read the earth and its neighbors. We are going to learn about the earth and its neighbors. Come to the lesson. Warm up part. Yes, we will see this. Follow the stars. Color in each star to reach the planet Earth. We have to color these stars. See all these stars so that we will reach our planet Earth. This is our Earth. This is our planet Earth. We have to color each star so we will reach the planet Earth. I am waiting for your figures, children, through WhatsApp. Okay. Do you know that our Earth is a part of the solar system? Let us learn about it. Yes, we are going to learn about this. And in this lesson, we are going to learn location of the Earth in the solar system and Earth's neighbors. Come to the lesson, children. Before going to the lesson, I want to show you. See, this is the entire solar system, and this is sun, which is in center of the solar system, and these are our planets, our 8 planets, and this is our planet Earth. This is our planet Earth. Okay, we start with the lesson. Our Earth belongs to the solar system. Yes, our Earth also belongs to the solar system. Beside Earth, there are 7 other planets in the solar system. Apart from Earth, there are other 7 planets in the solar system. All these planets are Earth's neighbors. All these 7 planets are Earth's neighbors. Yes. Come to solar system. Solar means off or from the sun. Solar means off or from the sun. The solar system includes the sun, the 8 planets, and all the other smaller objects that move around it. This solar system includes sun, 8 planets, and all the other smaller objects that move around it. The sun is the center of the solar system. Yes, we can see here. Here is the sun. This sun is the center of the entire solar system. Yes, the sun is the center of the solar system. All the planets, including the Earth, move around the sun in their fixed orbits. Yes, all these planets, we have 8 planets here. All these planets, including Earth, will move around the sun. See, these all are moving around the sun. All these planets do not have a light of their own. These planets don't have light by their own. They get light from the sun. All these 8 planets will get sunlight. Will get light from the sun. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 8 planets in the solar system. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yes, we can see clearly in the picture Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets of the solar system. We live on the planet Earth. Yes, we all living on the planet Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Yes, we can see in the picture clearly here, children. See, Mercury. This is close to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. This Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. And Mars is also known as the red planet. Yes, we can see here. See, this Mars is in reddish color. Mars is also known as the red planet. Okay, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Yes, here we can see this is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. And Saturn is surrounded by bright rings. This Saturn, it has bright rings. We can see clearly in this picture. Saturn has surrounded by bright rings. Yes, Uranus is the third largest of the 8 planets. Here, Uranus, among the 8 planets, Uranus is the third largest planet. Okay, Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Yes, here is the Neptune. This is the 8th planet. First one is Mercury, next is Venus, next is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Yes, from the sun, this is the 8th planet, Neptune. Besides the sun and the planets, the solar system consists of natural satellites or moons of the planets, asteroids and comets. Not even the Mercury. Besides the sun, there are moon and asteroids. See, these are asteroids and comets. These are comets. We can see in the picture clearly. These are comets. Not only sun and the 8 planets, we can see moon, asteroids and comets on the solar system. Okay, children, once go through the part of the lesson that we have learned today and the concept moon. From moon we will continue from the next class. Bye children. Thank you.